Hello, good day. Today we're going to be looking at BECE 2019 Basic Science Fast Question, question 39. BECE 2019 Basic Science Fast Question, question 39. Soil erosion can be prevented by the following methods, except soil erosion can be prevented by the following methods except A. Contouring, B. Deforestation, C. Terracing, and D. Strip cropping. So we have to pick an option which is not a way of preventing soil erosion. Now, A says contouring. What does contouring mean? Contouring simply means what? Converting a slopy land, that's converting a slopy land now into what? Contours. That's making contours over a slopy land in order to prevent soil erosion. That is making lines across a slopy land, making lines across a slopy land. Take for instance, you have a land that is slopy like this, So contouring simply means what? Making contours, making lines like this. That's when you're making your reduce. You make this line across this slopy land in order to reduce what? To reduce soil erosion. To reduce soil erosion. Now, C says terracing. Let's move to C. C says terracing. Now, terracing here simply means what? Converting a slopy land into steps. Converting a slopy land into steps. Now, take for instance, you have a slopy land like this. Now, the act of converting the slopy land into steps, into various steps. Let's say you have your first step like this. Then you have the next step like this. The next step also like this. This is what's called terracing. Converting a slopy land into step, and it helps to what? To reduce or to control soil erosion. It helps to control soil erosion. Now, strip cropping, on the other hand, here simply means what? Strip cropping means planting alternate crops in different lines, in different lines. The planting of alternate crops in different lines. Take for instance, you have a land like this, a slopy land like this. Maybe on this line you plant your maize. On the next line you plant maybe yam. On the next line you plant beans. This is what we call strip cropping. So it's the act of planting alternate crop in different lines. That's in the next line you plant a different crop, the next line you plant a different crop. Now, deforestation here simply means what? The act of falling trees. The act of falling trees. And now when you fall down these trees, what happens? You expose these trees, this land, you expose the soil to erosion. Once trees are falling, the soil is being exposed to erosion. So from this you see that our answer is B. Our answer is B. Deforestation. Deforestation is our answer, because the rest, contouring reduces soil erosion, terracing reduces soil erosion, and strip cropping reduces soil erosion. So deforestation here we will make the land prone to erosion. So our answer is B, deforestation. Thank you very much. Please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.